Hey guys, so before the video starts, I just want to let you know that this video was recorded back in June, so that was a few months ago. So yeah, what else to say?
I don't know.
That's so bad.
I don't do YouTube.
Okay, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Chloe, and today we're going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial. I'm not a good artist, you are. She's actually in the arts program at our school, so I think she's going to do well at this. And we've already painted the canvas white. Why did we do that?
To blend the colors, apparently.
I don't think that's going to affect it much, but
I don't know.
Okay. We followed them. We have the video right there, Bob Ross. We're going to watch it, and you guys up there are going to follow along.
Who's up there?
Them!
Who's that?
Everyone?
Okay.
What do you mean? That's the second camera.
Oh, okay.
They're watching us paint.
Okay.
Did you guys?
Okay, I'll start it?
Yeah, sure.
The blue in your brush is continually mixing with the liquid white that's already on the canvas. So that way it blends automatically as you work downward. And in a landscape, it should always get lighter toward the horizon. That helps create the illusion of depth and distance in your painting. There we go. Just little crisscross strokes, like so.
My brush is already screwed.
Ew, the paint looks kind of gross from the sun.
Dollar store paint.
No, it's the sun that's like heating it up. But,
Oh, yeah.
okay. I don't even know.
I'm just following
Let's
you.
just get started. No, don't follow me.
No, I should follow Bob Ross. That's what I should do.
I feel like a child.
A child? Why do you feel like a child?
I don't know, I haven't painted in so long.
You're a literal... what do you mean? You're an arts major.
I quit.
So you don't
Last
just
year.
paint?
No. This is gonna be so bad.
No, this is already so bad.
See how like it blends in?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Maybe we could use like the light blue for the water, but a specific blue.
Pacific.
Specific.
Specific?
Specific.
Pacific.
Oops. I'm starting the water.
Wait, the water?
Yeah.
Oh. We're supposed to be doing that now?
Yes.
I need to catch up. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, you're really slow.
It's okay. Slow and steady wins the race, Chloe.
What about fast and steady?
That, no one's ever said that ever.
I'm just kidding. Oh, damn.
That's just really good. Shoot, no way.
This feels
That looks really
good.
good. Wait, which way did we open?
Maybe the one on the left.
Alright. You idiot. You knew it wasn't the right one.
No, I thought it was. Oh my gosh, you're just getting to this guy? Come on.
Yeah, because I was trying to get the paint. Because you're using all the white. How many clouds did you do?
I just did two. But they look so bad.
Are we supposed to do two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's wash the brush.
You like jazz?
Chloe.
Oh my gosh.
We're supposed to use green?
It's a mountain. You chose like a black.
So why don't we use black?
Use black if you want to use black. I'm using green. Actually, I might use both. Like darken like the sides of it to make like a shadowish maybe. Well, this is definitely interesting.
Oh, yours looks good. Are you kidding?
It's giving me Moana vibes. When she goes sailing.
Look at your mountains and look at mine.
Mine are awesome. Adding some like snow touches, yes. This doesn't even look like snow, but what? You know what? Painting is about expressing how you feel. I'm feeling stressed and anxious, so here it is. Not bad,
Nice.
not bad.
That's good, that's good. Giving me very much Christmas tree. And that's cool.
Yeah, who doesn't love Christmas?
The Grinch.
No. The person who stole Christmas music, he loved it so much.
That was black.
Maybe back in here, there's some little trees that live far away. They're happy little trees that live in the distance. There. So take the brush, and all you have to do is tap down. See there? Hope you can see that all right. Now then, you have to make some decisions here. Where do they live?
This is where we're at right now. We just did the trees. And, yeah.
You can tell I'm much of a happier person because mine's so much brighter.
Chloe, say a joke. Make this video funny.
I'm not very funny though. I'm not really good at jokes.
Just improv, go.
No, I actually don't know. What do you got?
Why did the cow cross the road?
Because he tried to move?
To get to the movies.
That was bad. Do we love this? I think it looks like someone just puked all over it, but it's okay. This doesn't even look like grass.
See, Chloe decided she's going to be cheap and she isn't going to actually do the reflection. I'm doing the reflection right now.
I don't have room for the reflection, to be honest.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. It's gonna cover my whole entire water. And it won't even look, it'll just like look like one big tree.
Well, we have to like add the grass and stuff.
That's what I did. That's the grass.
That's the grass?
Okay.
That's the grass, right.
Stop.
I don't know if y'all can see that. That's where I'm at right now. What's that?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I really hope they could have seen that.
I've painted probably 20, 30,000 paintings now.
20, 30,000 paintings? That's incredible. I'm pretty proud.
Still. A big evergreen tree. Just start off by touching the canvas. Now just the corner of the brush. And just sort of let this work back and forth. See there? Once again, you can do this very nicely with a 1 or 2 inch brush, bringing it to a chisel edge. It works just as well. I just had a dirty fan brush, so thought I'd use it today. There. But it's up to you.
Okay, I'm really doing Christmas trees here, but Christmas trees is the way to go. It's the easiest one, to be honest, I think.
Yeah. We have to do 3 on the left here, and then we have to like make like a hill or something coming down.
A hill?
Yeah, because like right here is gonna be like a slanted hill kind of.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do 3 trees. I'm just gonna do the 1. Oh, that looks really good.
Damn. Bob Ross who?
And with that, I think we'll call this painting finished. And from all of us here, I really hope you've enjoyed it. So happy painting, and God bless. I'll see you next time.
Actually, I think yours looks better. Mine is kind of like someone puked on it.
No. The yellow's interesting. But it's good.
The yellow is what makes it different.
Alright guys, that was the video. This is how it turned out. This is mine. And that's Chloe's. Who do you think won? Tell us. Yours is really interesting with the yellow. I don't know what's going on
It
there.
makes it very unique, right?
And the green cloud. I thought it was gray before.
It was great.
Yeah, so thanks for joining us, Chloe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.